me gonna hit OT. Wanna see that daylight, yeah. Wanna see that daylight, yeah. Wanna see that daylight now. Yeah, my work ain't free, I'm the bourgeoisie. Gonna see that daylight when the night is done. Slow the flow, gonna say goodnight. You already know, big appetite. Might recognize this song a little. Got 5 on it like Tom Riddle. Made it through the night, I'm ready. Daylight, it comfort steady. Could not make all these dreams come true now. Come true now, now. Look through the darkness in all shit apartments. Been on it for years, I've been playing. And now that I found my way through all this bullshit, it's time for me to feel the light. To feel the light. I wanna feel like me, gonna hit OT. Wanna see that daylight, yeah. Wanna see that daylight, yeah. Wanna see that daylight, yeah. Yeah, my work ain't free, I'm the bourgeoisie. Gonna see that daylight now. Gonna see that daylight when the night is done. With the music popping, but still calling us underrated. We want it so badly, our mission cannot be understated. You can say my style is a mix of focused and caffeinated. Walk through the darkness in all shit apartments. Been on it for years, I've been playing. And now that I found my way through all this bullshit, it's time for me to feel the light. To feel the light. I wanna feel like me, gonna hit OT. Wanna see that daylight, yeah. Wanna see that daylight, yeah. Wanna see that daylight now. Yeah, my work ain't free, I'm the bourgeoisie. Gonna see that daylight now. Gonna see that daylight when the night is done.
Would you love me the same? Would you vanish? Or would you not be ashamed to see me manic? Would you bring me back down when I panic? Could you be my Zanny? Without the liquor, we don't know how to behave. Touch of a finger, and you can make me insane. But when I'm sober, would you love me that way? Cause I'd be lower. Don't want you to be the same. You and I, we could fly so high we'll never die. I promise you won't leave my side. You and I, we can hide. Let's just leave it all behind. Promise you won't leave my side. You and
Baby, I told ya, I can be there if you just want somebody to hold ya, huh? Tell me come over, I'll be there right away at your door like a Jehovah, huh? But you so imperfectly perfect, I'll be there to reinstate that you worth it, huh? All of my lessons I learned them, now when it comes to my bridges I burned them. Look, I'm tryna make some amends, I know you got mad when I asked you to bring in some friends. Fuck it, when this quarantine ends, I'm taking you to go shopping in France. I'm taking you to go visit my aunts. If it's underwhelming, just make sure you pretend. You and I, 10 out of 10, can you see what I see? Maybe switch up the lens. I switch up the frame in the picture, cause we're doing everything that you could ever envision. I feel like I bust out of prison every time you sad, and I make you happy when I visit. I feel like I'm lost in the system of working every day, but you bring me down and I'm chilling. I can never do you wrong, let me take you far away, take my hand if you feel it.